For today's video I'm going to slime video but remake it into a squishy. So the first one that we need is a balloon.
And
We can use
slime.
anything and old slime I see on my brother's room. I don't know how. I don't know how if is this old or he's farting me. Okay.
We're just stuck here in the house for play or sita.
Just wait. Okay, so we need this to open. So it's very big.
Guitar. Hello guys.
And it's
Because it is a
kind of
mermaid.
yellow, but yeah, it's pretty old. Oh, it's sticky.
It sticks like a bubble gum.
Yeah.
I'm playing guitar.
Now let's put
Let's go! Drama! Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
put this here. I don't know. I just see it from a video and he twists it.
Let's play guitar. But she's looking at us.
Okay, I always remember us this way. Baby. This is the final. Yeah, it looks like nothing, but if you squeeze it, it's very comfortable. Like it's very squishy. Look. So bye guys.